Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world of one of the most influential tech companies on the planet. Did you know that Huawei makes more than just smartphones? While many people recognize Huawei for their impressive lineup of mobile devices, their reach extends far beyond that. It's true. This company is a global tech powerhouse, with its fingers in everything from networking equipment to cloud computing. Huawei has been a key player in the development of 5G technology, which is revolutionizing how we connect to the internet. But today, we're diving deep into something really cool, the making of the Huawei Mate 70. This isn't just another smartphone, it's a marvel of modern engineering and design. This phone isn't just another device, it's a testament to Huawei's commitment to innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the smartphone world. The Mate 70 is packed with features that set it apart from the competition. We're talking cutting-edge tech, sleek design, and a whole lot of engineering muscle packed into one device. From its advanced camera system to its powerful processor, every aspect of the Mate 70 has been meticulously crafted to offer the best user experience. So buckle up as we take you behind the scenes to uncover the secrets of how the Mate 70 is made. We'll explore the intricate processes involved in its production, from the initial design phase to the final assembly. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. We'll also hear from some of the brilliant minds behind this incredible device, giving you an insider's look at what it takes to bring such a groundbreaking product to market. So stay tuned and get ready to be amazed by the innovation and dedication that goes into creating the Huawei Mate 70. The Mate 70 is more than just a phone. It represents Huawei's relentless pursuit of creating a premium user experience. From the moment you hold it, you can feel the craftsmanship and attention to detail that has gone into its creation. The sleek design and premium finish are just the beginning of what this device has to offer. Think of it as the culmination of years of research, development, and a passion for pushing the limits of technology. Huawei has always been at the forefront of innovation, and the Mate 70 is a testament to that legacy. The engineers and designers have poured their expertise and creativity into every aspect of this phone, ensuring that it stands out in a crowded market. But it's not just about looks. The Mate 70 is a powerhouse of performance and functionality. Its design is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also ergonomically crafted to provide a comfortable and intuitive user experience. Every curve, every button, and every feature has been meticulously thought out to enhance usability. Under the hood, the Mate 70 boasts powerful processors, an incredible camera system, and a battery that's built to keep up with even the most demanding users. The advanced processor ensures smooth and efficient performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming content. The camera system is designed to capture stunning photos and videos in any condition, with features that rival professional equipment. And the battery? It's engineered to last, so you can stay connected and productive all day long. This phone is designed to handle anything you throw at it, from gaming to photography to staying connected on the go. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional photographer, or someone who needs a reliable device for everyday use, the Mate 70 has you covered. Its robust performance, cutting-edge features, and elegant design make it a standout choice in the world of smartphones. Experience the future of mobile technology with the Huawei Mate 70. Building a smartphone as advanced as the Mate 70 isn't a walk in the park. Huawei faces some serious challenges in the global tech arena. One of the biggest hurdles is navigating the complexities of the global supply chain. Sourcing the highest quality components from all corners of the world requires meticulous planning and coordination. And then there's the competition. The smartphone market is fiercely competitive, with companies constantly vying for the top spot. Huawei has to stay ahead of the curve, constantly innovating and refining its designs to stand out from the crowd. The Mate 70's journey from concept to reality is a fascinating blend of cutting-edge technology and human expertise. It all starts with an idea, a vision for a device that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Engineers and designers work together, sketching out ideas, creating prototypes, and meticulously refining every detail. They use advanced software to create three-dimensional models, simulating how the phone will look and function in the real world. Section 5. Precision Engineering. Crafting the Mate 70's core. Once the design is finalized, The real magic begins on the factory floor. Huawei's state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities are like something out of a science fiction movie. Highly automated production lines, staffed by skilled technicians, work tirelessly to bring the Mate 70 to life. Robots with incredible precision assemble the phone's intricate components, while sophisticated cameras inspect every detail to ensure the highest quality standards. It's a mesmerizing dance of technology and human expertise. Section 6. A symphony of components. The Mate 70 is a symphony of components, each playing a crucial role in delivering an exceptional user experience. The heart of the phone is its powerful processor, designed to handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Then there's the camera system, a marvel of engineering that captures stunning images and videos. And let's not forget the battery, a powerhouse that keeps the phone running smoothly all day long. Each component is meticulously tested and integrated into the phone's sleek design. Section 7. A glimpse inside Huawei's innovation hub. One of the coolest things about Huawei is its dedication to pushing the boundaries of technology. Their research and development labs are like playgrounds for tech geniuses, where they're constantly experimenting with new ideas and pushing the limits of what's possible. Whether it's developing new battery technologies, enhancing camera capabilities, or exploring the potential of artificial intelligence, Huawei is committed to staying ahead of the curve, and that commitment to innovation is clearly reflected in the Mate 70. Section 8. The Mate 70. A testament to Huawei's manufacturing prowess. From its sleek design to its powerful performance, the Mate 70 stands as a beacon of what Huawei can achieve in the realm of mobile technology. Every curve, every feature, and every detail has been meticulously crafted to offer an unparalleled user experience. The Mate 70 is a testament to Huawei's manufacturing prowess. The journey of this smartphone begins in state-of-the-art factories where precision and quality are paramount. Each component is carefully selected and assembled with the highest standards in mind, ensuring that the final product is nothing short of exceptional. It's a phone that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design, making it accessible to both tech enthusiasts and everyday users. The Mate 70 boasts advanced features that cater to a wide range of needs, from high-speed processing to an intuitive interface that makes navigation a breeze. All of this is made possible by a global network of suppliers, engineers, and technicians working together. This international collaboration brings together the best minds from around the world, each contributing their unique expertise to create a product that stands out in the competitive smartphone market. With a shared passion for innovation, these teams push the boundaries of what is possible. They brainstorm, experiment, and refine their ideas, always striving to improve and innovate. This relentless pursuit of excellence is what sets Huawei apart and makes the Mate 70 a standout device. The Mate 70's journey from concept to reality is a fascinating one. It starts with a simple idea, a vision of what the next great smartphone could be. This idea is then transformed into detailed sketches and blueprints, laying the groundwork for the development process. As the project progresses, teams of engineers and designers work tirelessly behind the scenes, collaborating and innovating at every step. They utilize advanced technology and cutting-edge tools to bring their vision to life, ensuring that every aspect of the phone meets the highest standards of quality and performance. Behind every great piece of technology is a team of dedicated individuals who pour their hearts and minds into making it a reality. These engineers and technicians are the unsung heroes of the tech world, working long hours and overcoming countless challenges to deliver a product that exceeds expectations. When the Mate 70 finally reaches the hands of consumers, it is the culmination of countless hours of hard work and dedication. The engineers celebrate their achievements, knowing that they have created something truly special. The final quality control checks ensure that every phone is perfect, ready to provide users with an exceptional experience. Section 9. Join the conversation. So there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible world of how the Huawei Mate 70 is made. It's amazing to see the level of precision, innovation, and sheer hard work that goes into creating these devices we use every day. What do you think about the Mate 70? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my full review of the phone on Linus Tech Tips.